Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nike, not like the shoe, more like the goddess. And today we're gonna do this flip over sew-in. Now this is my very first time doing a flip over and a sew-in, so there's a bunch of novelty here. So just bear with me, give me some grace, and let's get into it. Calling my sister. Answer. I told her between 12 and 4 on Thursday. It's 2:30. Well, we're just gonna have to wing this shit. We've watched enough videos, right? How to sew on a cap. Weaving cap? That's not the one I'm looking for.
Okay, let me know if this makes sense, because I'm no teacher. And I'm more of like a look and learn kind of person. The knit.
Oh, but mine is an actual cap for real. So, y'all, shit, I don't know what I'm doing. I never claimed to know. You feel me? Oh, yeah. See, this is why I need my sister. Let me call her one more time. Maybe she didn't get it the first time. Come on, Jesus. Hello, you answered. I was getting scared.
Oh, wow, you already braided it? Put the string through the needle and then take the needle, put it to the floor, put your toe on the needle, and then pull the string. And when it get up to your face, that's how long you want it. People that think of themselves a lot.
Just, well, yeah, kind of.
Uh-oh. That's what I'm thinking about. My next thing was gonna do, and you going and you doing it before me. What the hell? I thought you was gonna do a side part.
I thought I was too, but I kept seeing all these videos, and I was just like, you know what? Let's try this flip over thing.
You got a lot of like canvas there to be able to like on top of the head and stuff.
That means a lot. Thank you.
The first one, I like to put the needle like through that track, that like
The weft.
part.
Yeah. Do you think it's easier to go under and out or over and through?
It's however you feel comfortable with. I scoop.
Okay.
Yeah, I do that. How you feeling? You okay? Because I'm getting tired just watching you.
What time is it? Siri, what time is it? Y'all, it is 6:09 p.m. I'm done with about, I don't know, what would you say this is? About 35 to 40% of the back. I was hungry. I had to go get food because I'm very structured now with my eating. Yeah, I went outside to get a banana because I'm like, I don't want anything to interrupt my progress. Because, you know, I got a rhythm now and I kind of want to keep it up. If I break it and I'm starting something new, it's kind of hard to get that rhythm back. But fuck that rhythm. I need to eat. With that being said, I don't know if I'm going to be able to film this whole process. It's taking a lot longer than I thought.
Did it get easier in the middle?
Yeah, kind of. It's just taking a while because
I don't know. For some reason, you get to the top and it's like it's a lot at the top. So
yeah, like I'm like, why do I still have so much ground to cover?
right.
How long does it usually take you to do a sew-in? An hour to do a sew-in? Seriously?
Dude, I do this all the time. I should.
Like if it comes out good, I don't care how long it took me. With it being my first time, because then it'll just be like I just put the effort in to make sure it was good.
Right.
We're finally I could cry, but I won't because we still got work to do. Definitely feels like enough. This shit is hot. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it's almost 2 in the morning and I still have to clean up all this mess. We're gonna like tease it some more tomorrow, well, later today, and like fix my edges, do my makeup, all that stuff. And I'll show y'all like the finished look later, because we got it, yeah. But this is what it's looking like right now after I just finished. So yeah, I'll show y'all a better look tomorrow. It is the next day and I got no sleep. But we're gonna take down this hair. I just braided it up so that it could blend better, because when I curled it last night, it was really just to see what the vibe was giving, but I knew I really wanted to do a braid out because this texture really gives braid out for me, not really like curls, and I was trying to manipulate the curls to like give more of a looser pattern, but it wasn't working. And I don't have a crimper, so all right, y'all, so this is the final look. I did touch up my hair just a little bit, and I feel like I really do like it. If I had to rate it, I'd give it like a 9.5 out of 10. I did take a while doing this because I was also filming it, so that adds extra time. So it took me like 6 to 8 hours. I no lie. I had some issues with it, but I think the end result is something that I'm proud of for it to be my first time. The reason why I even did this flip over sewn was because if you watch my previous video with my silk press routine, I am trying to take a softer approach to styling my hair because I'm very chaotic with switching my hair all the time to express my creativity, but it's also channeled through my stress. And so I'm not trying to have my stress be so apparent in my appearance. And I wanted to adopt more styles that will kind of flow into my everyday structure that I'm creating. A part of that being working out. And with silk presses, everyone's op is the gym. So I don't want that to be my op. I don't need anything interfering with the structure. So I needed styles that were kind of low maintenance for me. So I've been trying to figure out what styles I'm keeping in my toolbox for me to maintain this like regimen. So this was one style that I saw that I was just like, okay, I think this would be easy to maintain. And then the hair itself is a wavier texture. And if I'm sweating a lot like I do in the gym, I need something that will kind of hold up, that won't cause me to manipulate it so much. So when I went to bed, I braided it up because I felt like my texture would be very close to this one, and it works. It is synthetic hair. It's like a synthetic blend, but I am accustomed to using this hair because I use this specific hair for my boho braids. So I know how to maintain it. And at the end of the day, I didn't know how long I was going to be keeping this in because it is a sew-in. I'm not used to having my hair trapped. And that's why I picked a sew-in over a quick weave, because I needed some type of access to my scalp because it is itching. So hopefully it doesn't interfere with my actual workouts, because I don't need to be itching and sweating and now I don't want to complete my circuit. Absolutely not. So we'll see. I will update you guys. If you follow me on my other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, I'm sure I'll let you know, because I do stay pretty active on those platforms. But for right now, I do like it. If I end up liking it long term, then I'll eventually switch to more human hair bundles, because it will be a staple in my routine as opposed to it being like something I'm trying out. Does that make sense? So I know a lot of people, they have their qualms with like synthetic hair. Why using synthetic hair for a sew-in? Girl, my head, my business. Okay. It makes very, very logical sense for me to use synthetic hair for a first time I'm trying a style and I don't know if I'm going to like it. And then I'm new to doing a sew-ins. I had so many issues when I was doing the sew-in. So the way I was cutting up these wefts, I don't want to do that with some human hair bundles that cost hella money. If I don't know what the hell I'm doing, I'm going to try it out on some cheaper hair that I won't feel too like guilty about messing up. So
yeah, I tried to make this process more of like a journey as opposed to a tutorial, just to document like this new experience that I'm having with my hair. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you've done a flip over sew-in before, if you are thinking about doing one, what type of hair you usually use, whatever. Let me know in the comments. If you like seeing my face again, hello. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm not going to tell y'all again. I actually am going to tell y'all again, but that was just for, you get it. But yeah, that's basically it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, love you. Bye.
Damn. Yeah, it came out good.
1 to 10.
10.
Yeah.
Mommy wants to show Auntie Angie, so she said take a picture.
She wants to show Auntie Angie.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's gorgeous! Isn't it? Am I able to see the back?
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's only see it to your neck. Oh, okay. Yes! Oh, that's nice! Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god. Look at that! Yeah, it looks good. So, you know who your man is when you turn our face? My girl, you know the girl from Atlanta. Oh, yes. Yes. Portia. Listen, you gotta go out on the town with that.
That's what mommy said. Calling my cousin.
Wow.
But yeah, it's a lot harder when you're trying to film it because it's like I'm trying to be in focus, but I'm also like, it's hard to see different angles of my head to make sure I'm getting the wefts close together. So it was just, it was tough.
Looks nice. Great work.
Thank you.